The fourth tool is VO3, the video generation model by Google. Creating professional video ads used to take $10,000 plus and weeks of production. Now it's just a good prompt away. So let's go ahead and show you how to use a VO3 to replace a $10,000 ad crew. First, we're going to start with going to Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is available at gemini.google.com. Make sure that you've chosen 2.5 Pro. You're going to say, create a simple, short, one paragraph, 3-second prompt in this style for VO3. Create 5 options to promote my invoice generator. It's an ad beginning, right? So you give it some context, act as a master VO3 prompter. You give it some context, you tell it what exactly you want to do, you give it some act as, and then it's going to start to think. What are the video concepts? What are the prompts? How are we going to improve those video concepts? What are going to be the initial scenes for those concepts? And it's going to do all the work that you used to have to pay a marketer for so simply, and it's going to develop the video scripts. And so now we have 5 options: smartphone, contractor, creating an invoice. I love this one, right? There's single window shot, creative professional, overwhelmed. Oh, this is good too. So we have a couple different ones. I think this one's probably the best out of the 5 here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to head to Google. We're going to search for VO3. We're going to hit try in flow, create with flow. And this is going to take us into the flow editor, where you can start a new project and we can just simply paste in create with VO3 fast. Now Google is going to get to work with 2 options for us. All right, here's the moment of truth. Let's check out our ads. Awesome opening shot. Then you can go into Gemini. You can ask it to then create the next scene. Now it's going to use that to create the second element of our scene. And you can see that that prompt video could use a little improvement, and so you can go in and continue to iterate and improve these things, but eventually you can tie together scenes in this beautiful way on VO3. You can create 8-second little viral shorts, or you can tie together scenes to create entire 60-second ads. And the best part is that this Google AI Pro plan just costs $20 per month. And so you can create amazing videos for really cheap. Here's an example of the type of viral scene people are able to create with VO3. So if you put together the savings over a year, you're getting well over $120,000 in savings if you were to create 10 of these ads, of which I've created many of these ads. And this tool ends up paying itself in the first year.